Okay, here's a brand new Century Central Air Conditioning unit. Currently not running. This unit replaced a old Lennox unit that was having problems last time. And yeah, this is a Century unit, which I don't think I've ever heard of that brand before. It looks like a rebranded airflow unit. Might be another one of, could be a rebadged Comfort-Aire. This unit is a 2-ton from 2024. I believe it has a couple-inch scroll compressor. But yeah, this unit is located at a apartment complex I filmed at lots of times before here in Iowa City. A few of these other Lennoxes are running. That one over there is running. And so is this one. But yeah, just like a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.